TRENDnet's 2-port USB KVM switch kit with audio, model TK-209K, controls 2 computers with 1 set of console controls. Installation is easy with all the required cabling included. Simply connect your console mouse, keyboard, headset or microphone and speakers, and monitor with a VGA port. Then connect both of your computers with the included cabling, and you're done! This KVM switch supports HD resolutions of up to 2048 by 1536 pixels. Alternate between computers using the convenient toggle switch on the device's front face or use predefined hotkey commands on a Windows computer. Manage 2 computers with TRENDnet's easy-to-install TK-209K.